Hi, this is Yoshi. Okay, lecture 27, the second box. This is the one you're going to make today. Okay, first use a square shaped paper and start from the white surface on top. Fold at the center line to make rectangle. And you do the same mountain folding twice. And then the next is fold triangle, big triangle. This is a valley folding. So now you know what's the next, right? Typical two mountain foldings for rectangle and one valley folding for triangle, that combination. Then grip two ends like this and fold. The naturally valley folding area going to be folded into a square, like this. Then press hard for each line. And pick up one side and then fold a small triangle. Narrow angle of triangle is open end. And do the same for the opposite side. This is what you have now. Then open the triangle part, the small long triangle part. And you do the same for the both side. Now this is what you have now. Turn over the paper and fold smaller triangle. And do the same for the other side. It is just same as the opposite side. Open the small triangle. Insert your finger and stretch. And do the same for the other part. After you do all, it will look like this. From here, you need to rotate the paper to work on the surface where no white is shown. This side, this surface. Fold the outside edge by making a triangle. It will look like this. And the opposite side as well. So after you do a small triangle to show white, it will look like this. Then turn over the paper and do the same for the other side. Okay, then fold a triangle. Again, the edge and the other side as well. And raise and fold the sharp side. This is what you see now. And turn over the paper to work for the other side as well. Then rotate the paper. Raise and fold the sharp end as well. And the opposite side as well. So the basic structure is done. Open the top end where white is shown. Insert your fingers and work on to create a space. Work for finishing. Okay, that's it. Box is good to put your coins or keys. You can use it for a while. Okay, the supplement video for box number 2. Fold at the center, rectangle, mountain folding twice. And then valley folding for big triangle. This is a typical mountain, and valley. And fold in like this. And the open end, this part, fold a long triangle like this. And like this. Then open this triangle. Now this box is not that difficult, but lots of processes. What he did is just to mark the line for the center point, center area. He's adjusting papers very nicely. You should adopt this technique when you are getting used to. Okay, now rotate to see the no white. Now walk on the area where no white. Fold the outside edge. And you do this 4 times. 1, 2. And the other side as well. 3. And 4. And sharp end to fold in towards to the colored area. That's number 1. This you have to do 4 times as well. This is the number 2. Rotate. This is the number 3. And this is the number 4. Okay. Getting close to done. Now open this white area. And he's fine-tuning. You can place candies or coins, keys. So boxes are very useful. Okay, that's it. Okay, lecture 27 is done. The next is lecture 28.